The African bush elephant, Loxodonta africana, is the largest land animal on Earth. Its massive size, combined with its intricate behaviors, complex social interactions, and intimate relationship with its environment, have captivated humans for thousands of years. So join us today as we go deep into the life of these magnificent creatures and learn about their short history. First, let's look at how the African bush elephant got its start. The African bush elephant's evolutionary story is a journey through time that reveals the ancient roots of this majestic creature. Their evolutionary history dates back millions of years, tracing back to a common ancestor they shared with the Asian elephant and the now extinct American mastodon. Fossils found in North Africa suggest that elephant-like creatures first arrived there around 5 million years ago. These early ancestors were smaller than today's African bush elephants, but they already displayed characteristics that would become iconic to their descendants. Over time, different species of early elephants evolved and migrated across Africa and Eurasia, adapting to diverse environments and giving rise to new forms. Among them was the Gomphotherium, an ancient elephant ancestor with 4 tusks, 2 on each jaw, which inhabited parts of Africa and Asia around 3 million years ago. As the continents shifted and climates changed, various elephant lineages flourished and went extinct until eventually giving rise to the modern African bush elephant. Its lineage diverged from the Asian elephant around 2 million years ago, and fossil evidence indicates that the ancestors of today, as African bush elephant, arrived in Africa around 0.6 million years ago. During the Pleistocene epoch, which lasted from 2.6 million to 11,700 years ago, the African continent experienced a fluctuating climate with both warm and cold periods. This period proved to be pivotal in the evolution of the African bush elephant. During the warmer phases, they thrived in more open grassland habitats, and when temperatures dropped, they sought refuge in forested areas. This constant movement between habitats is believed to have played a crucial role in the development of the African bush elephant's large ears, which act as radiators to dissipate heat. By shedding heat efficiently, they could survive in the scorching savannas, while their thick skin provided insulation during colder periods in the forests. Next, let's look at how the African bush elephant lives. The African bush elephant's life unfolds across vast landscapes, shaped by its need for food, water, and a complex social world. They are highly adaptable, inhabiting diverse habitats from the open grasslands of the savannas to the dense forests and even desert fringes. Within these habitats, they form tight-knit family groups led by a matriarch, the eldest female, who guides the group in their daily movements and decision-making. These matriarchs possess a wealth of knowledge about their territory, including water sources, food-rich areas, and potential dangers. Hereditary knowledge is vital for the survival of the herd. The African bush elephant's day revolves around seeking sustenance, consuming up to 200 kilograms of vegetation daily. They use their tusks to dig up roots and tubers, strip bark from trees, and tear through shrubs and grasses. No part of the plant is wasted. They consume leaves, stems, and even the soil where roots have grown. The digestion process begins in their 6 stomachs, where acids break down plant matter before it is sent to the small intestine for nutrient absorption. What's left over is passed to the 3-chambered hindgut, where bacteria aid in further digestion. Their immense size necessitates abundant food, and in times of scarcity, elephants may travel up to 32 kilometers per day in search of sustenance. Water is equally vital. Elephants have the remarkable ability to excavate water holes during dry seasons, using their tusks and feet to unearth underground water sources. These water holes not only sustain the elephants, but also serve as vital resources for other animals and humans in the vicinity. Beyond sustenance, water is a hub of social activity for elephants. They gather to drink, bathe, and engage in courtship rituals, creating a sense of community and connection. In the evenings, after a day of feeding, the elephants settle down to rest. Social bonding is a significant part of their routine. They groom each other, engaging in a mutual display of affection and tick removal. Touch is a critical form of communication, conveying emotions from affection to alarm. Elephants communicate through a symphony of sounds, trumpets, rumbles, and screams, carry messages across the landscape, informing other elephants of potential threats or announcing the presence of predators. To navigate their surroundings, elephants employ keen senses. Their hearing is exceptionally acute, aiding them in detecting approaching predators or recognizing familiar herd members. Their sense of smell was equally impressive, enabling them to locate water, food, and detect danger from afar. Their eyesight, although not as sharp as some other animals, is effective in recognizing shapes and movement, providing them with essential information about their environment. As darkness falls, the African bush elephant becomes more vulnerable to predators, such as lions and hyenas. To mitigate this risk, they seek safety in numbers, forming close-knit family groups that offer collective protection. Their bulk and agility allow them to defend themselves against most threats, and their tusks serve as formidable weapons if provoked. Now let's look at how the African bush elephant has been used and perceived by humans throughout history. The African bush elephant's historical relationship with humans is a tapestry woven with threads of reverence, exploitation, and evolving perceptions. Our earliest ancestors encountered elephants in Africa around 300,000 years ago. Cave paintings in places like France and Spain depict elephants from this era, showcasing their presence in prehistoric Europe around 15,000 years ago. During this period, humans and elephants coexisted, and elephants held a revered status in many African cultures. They were celebrated as symbols of wisdom, strength, and longevity, featuring prominently in tribal legends and spiritual beliefs. Their association with deities and ancestral spirits led to the creation of elephant-themed art, music, and rituals that paid homage to these majestic creatures. However, as time progressed, the relationship took a darker turn. The demand for ivory during the global colonization era led to the intensification of elephant hunting. European colonists sought ivory to meet the rising demand in luxury markets, and African hunters were employed to capture and kill elephants. The invention of the machine gun in the late 19th century made hunting more efficient, resulting in the slaughter of countless elephants. This period marked a shift from reverence to exploitation, with elephants viewed primarily as a source of ivory and a hindrance to human activities. By the 20th century, the African bush elephant's population had plummeted due to relentless poaching. Conservation efforts began in the 1930s, but it wasn't until the 1989 Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora that a global ban on the ivory trade was established. This marked a turning point, shifting the narrative from exploitation to conservation. Today, the African bush elephant is recognized as a symbol of wilderness and a flagship species for conservation efforts. Finally, let us examine the current threats facing the African bush elephant and what is being done to ensure its survival. The African bush elephant faces a multitude of threats, each contributing to its precarious situation. Habitat loss stands as a significant concern. As human populations grow and agricultural land expands, elephants find their habitats shrinking, forcing them into closer proximity with humans. This raises the risk of human-elephant conflict, where elephants raiding crops lead to retaliatory killings by farmers. Poaching persists despite legal bans, driven by the illegal ivory market. Elephants are targeted for their tusks, which are coveted for their size and intricate patterns. Even with anti-poaching efforts, the threat remains, particularly in areas with porous borders and weak law enforcement. Climate change poses another formidable challenge. Shifting weather patterns affect elephant migration routes and food availability, disrupting their traditional behaviors and increasing competition for resources with other animals. Droughts and changing rainfall patterns can lead to water scarcity, forcing elephants to travel longer distances in search of water and increasing the likelihood of human-elephant conflict. To address these threats, a multifaceted approach involving conservation organizations, governments, and local communities is essential. Establishing and effectively managing protected areas can safeguard elephant habitats, reducing the impact of human encroachment. Strengthening law enforcement and engaging local communities in anti-poaching efforts are crucial to curb poaching and trafficking. Additionally, promoting sustainable land use practices, such as agroforestry, can help mitigate habitat loss and create incentives for farmers to coexist with elephants. Raising awareness about the plight of the African bush elephant and fostering a sense of responsibility among individuals worldwide can contribute to positive change. Supporting reputable conservation organizations and making conscious consumer choices are powerful ways to make a difference. Through collaborative action and individual commitment, we can strive to ensure that the African bush elephant, a symbol of Africa's natural heritage, continues to roam free for generations to come. Thank you for watching this episode. If you enjoyed this episode and would like to support our channel, please consider making a donation. Your support will help us continue producing high-quality videos that bring the wonders of nature to audiences worldwide.